Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Glossybox, but we have a special Glossybox, so let's get into it. Check it out. So this is a special box that Glossybox is doing, and it is all about female-founded brands. I went onto their website to check out what they said about it, and it says championing strong, inspirational women in business, an exciting new collection of beauty brands. Discover powerful products from innovative brands, and more importantly, the fascinating stories of the entrepreneurship and dedication that brought them to life. This exclusive limited edition is packed with makeup, skincare, hair care, and accessories that will energize your beauty routine. It's a collection founded by women, curated by women, for women. They say it has a $125 value. If you are a Glossybox member, it is $30. If you don't get Glossybox, you can still purchase it. It's just $35. I will put my link below. That will get you, if you sign up for Glossybox, $5 off your first box, which will bring your first box down to $16. And then you can also purchase this for $5 less. I'll put all of that information below for you though, so let's get into this. Oh look, when we take off the top, I didn't know that. It talks about it more on the inside. Female founded, a collection founded by women, curated by women, for women. So that's cool. And then when we open it up, I love that Glossybox has a theme. They do their boxes to match their paperwork. It's just, I love their boxes. And then in our paperwork on the inside, it'll give us a little bit of information about everything that we have. Got some pretty purple. When we open it up, it is chock full of goodies, so let's check it out. This box is sent to me for review, but you will always get my honest opinion. And that is what the paperwork looks like, just like the outside of the box. Right on top, we have FGBG. Oh, Feel Great, Be Great, Women's Multivitamins. And that is what the packaging looks like. Let's check this out. These are all three different colors, so let's find the paperwork and see what it says. Daily Dose Vitamin Gummies. Oh, they're gummies. I don't know. Why does everybody get excited? Oh, they're gummies. I don't have to swallow them. I can chew on them like candy. Beauty begins with how you feel. And FGBG's philosophy is, if you feel great, you are great. Ethically sourced and handled with care. These gummies are formulated to support a healthy body so you can look and feel your best. It says we have 3x 1 day worth, $5, or full-sized 30 days would be $30 to $35. So you must be able to pick the ones that are right for you. So this one says that it is a woman's multivitamin. This one says Summer Glow Tanning Gummies. Don't even know what that is. And then this one is hair, skin, and nails. That is always, I can always get 100% behind that. Well, we will read more about what's in these, but I do love a healthy gummy. Next out, I have hair coils you need right now. 8 hair tie coils. So they're like Invisibobbles. But these are, oh, these are by Kitsch. Okay, I see on the back now it says they are by Kitsch. I will pass these along. I have such fine, thin hair that I have found that these type of things do tend to get caught in my hair. But I know that so many people love them. They are My Kitsch Stargazer hair coils, headache-free, kink-free, and perfect for every hair type. These telephone cord style hair ties are the perfect accessory, whether you are going for a stylish ponytail, a quick messy bun, or want to sleep with your head tied up. These coils are your new go-to. $5. All right, next out we have Blossom and Bloom Hands Up Age-Defying Hand Cream. So this looks like maybe a deluxe sample. It is 0.85 ounces. And the paperwork tells us that it is a fast-absorbing and ultra-nourishing hand cream that packs a punch. 99% naturally derived formulation containing niacinamide, licorice root extract, and shea butter. Hydrates, repairs, brightens, and restores your hands after the dry winter months. This is a deluxe 15 ml worth $15, or a full-size 50 ml is worth $21. So ounce for ounce, the math on that does not work out. But still, it's a fun way to try it, if you can try it. It has licorice root in it, so I can't try it, and it is sealed, so I will pass that along. Okay, next out, how cute are these? I'm gonna guess little shampoo and conditioners, but that is so stinking cute. They are 1.69 fluid ounces. Oh my gosh, it's from Monday and it's smooth. I'm for frizzy and dull hair shampoo and conditioner. The paperwork says they're by Monday Hair Care, and it's the perfect duo made with coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and more nourishing ingredients. This formula was designed for hair in need of extra hydration, including curly and coarse hair. It also combats frizz. These deluxe minis, which are 50 ml, are worth $2.99 each. The full size, which is 354 ml, are worth $15.98, and you can get them, it says, at Ulta. Well, let's see what they smell like. Oh, it's taped down. If you get this before you almost break your nails trying to open them, just know they've taped them closed. Oh, it's a clean scent. I like that a lot. Oh, that smells good. Let's see if the conditioner smells the same. So I've never tried Monday Hair. Are you guys trying Monday Hair? I'm actually using, while I take this tape off, I'm actually using a new shampoo and conditioner now that I got in a mystery bundle, the Unite, that some of you said you have actually tried and liked. I'm liking it. It's leaving my hair really moisturized, a little popped out when I did it. It just has a really, really light scent. That is really nice because, like I've said, I have so much hair that whatever the scent is that I put on my hair is the scent that I tend to wear for the day. I like that a lot. It's just really light, kind of just shampoo-y, conditioner-y, but with a slight, ever so slight floral, I think. Can't wait to try this. I love, actually, I'm getting ready to do a box that's just hair brands. I love trying new hair brands. Next out, we have Daydreamer, Your Dream Cleanser Come True. And it's by Bloom, and it's 20 ml. That's what it looks like. And the paperwork says, Gentle Face Wash by Bloom. This creamy cleanser is packed with the best plant extracts. It's designed to effectively clean without stripping the skin of natural healthy oils. The Daydreamer is perfect for sensitive skin and leaves it feeling even, plump, and supple after every wash, never tight or dry. This deluxe mini is 20 ml and has a $4 value, and the 120 ml they say is $16. I will probe further into ingredients to be sure that I can use it, and since it's sealed, we'll leave it that way. Next out, other than my juggling routine, we have Ciate London Wonderland Mascara. And that is what that looks like. So we have another deluxe sample. Create the ultimate fearless lashes with this mascara. This carbon black smudge-free formula creates intense 3D volume, curl, and length with one swipe of its uniquely shaped wand. Oh, we're going to get in there. This travel size makes it the perfect size to throw in your bag on the go. They say this has a $10 value and the full size is $20. What is this uniquely shaped wand? Oh, it's one of the hourglass ones. I don't know why they feel the need to mess with wands. I like a normal wand. I'm not a huge fan of uniquely shaped wands, but I'll give it a try. I mean, if it gives me good lashes, I don't care what shape the wand is. Next out, this is a cute box. Oh, I've had this box before. It's from Deco. I think it's Deco Miami, and it's hair, no, not hair, nails. Deco Nail Lacquer. All right, let's see what color I got. Oh, that's pretty. This will be nice for the summer. It's a nice sweet yellow. I have kind of a reddish coral on today. I hope that's come across. That is really pretty. This is Tequila Sunrise. Actually, with my nail polish on, it makes it more of a tequila sunrise. Arriving in a beautiful bottle, this nail polish is exactly what you need to bring some brightness into spring. Well, summer now. Luxurious and opaque, this formula requires only 2 to 3 coats for full coverage and pigment. It has an $8 value. And even though it is a small bottle and a small handle with a small brush lengthwise, it's like a full width brush. Actually, that might be the best way to do it. I love these brushes that are kind of wide and have that curve to it. I'm so bad at putting on nail polish that I love it when they're shaped like that. This is a color that I will definitely try for summer. That's fun. Next out, I have, ooh, it's heavy, Floral Street Sunflower Pop Eau de Parfum Van Gogh Museum. A citrus fruity fragrance for the bright, expressive, vibrant, and happy. World Land Trust. What is this all about? That is interesting because the box, I hope that comes across, is definitely made from the Van Gogh sunflowers painting. I love art. Yellow Tip Sunflowers from the brush of Van Gogh inspired this bright blend of fresh mandarin, bursts of Calabrian bergamot, and vegan honey accord, and a pop of Bellini accord. Sunflower Pop is a vibrant, citrus fruity blend to bring the feelings of joy and optimism, and it has a $30 value. I suspected that it was full size because while it's this shape, it's very heavy. Oh, look, the bottle has the artwork on it too. I love that. And over here it says Floral Street. Yeah, I just love that. All right, let's see if it smells good, because ultimately in a perfume, a lovely bottle is nice, but you have to want to wear it. I'm going to spray it on this. Not that I don't have complete faith that it's lovely, but we're not risking it. Oh, very first one. Very nice. Oh, wow, is that bright and citrusy? Oh, that's gorgeous. We're putting that on. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, I like this. I will absolutely. What a great summer scent. That is beautiful. I absolutely smell all of the citrus in it. I don't know if the honey accord was meant to be sweet, but it doesn't really have much sweet. It's just really a bright pop of citrus. I like that. That is, I'm gonna show again. That is so, so pretty. Okay, next out we have Touchland Berry Bliss Power Mist, and it is a hydrating hand sanitizer. Oh, love that. I have said on here many times, I use a lot of hand sanitizers. Now that we're back out there and eating out there, that kind of thing, I use a lot of hand sanitizer. Touchland Power Mist Berry Bliss, the dermatologist-tested hydrating hand sanitizer, is packed with good-for-you vegan ingredients like aloe vera and essential oils. It delivers 500 spritzes that keep your skin soft and smelling great while killing 99.99% of germs. So is it alcohol? It is. 70% ethyl alcohol, so it meets all the requirements. Well, a $9 value seems like pretty pricey, but I would love to pull that out of my purse as opposed to some of the little things that I pull out of there. And they say it's 500 mists, but I wonder how many mists it takes, or it would take me to feel misted enough. You know what I mean? Because they say you should be able to rub your hands, I think, just like washing for 20 seconds before it's dry. All right, let's try it. I did 2. Yet would definitely need, I would probably use more than 2. Could be, oh my goodness, it smells like I just shoved my hand into some fresh berries. That smelled so good, and it's dissipating. Yeah, it dissipates a lot. There's a light berry scent left, but it dissipates a lot. But I have to tell you, yeah, I would use 4 pumps. But still, if it has 500 pumps like they said, that's like 125 uses. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with that math. You can check me on it if you want, but so I like that. Like I said, I like pulling that out of my purse so much more. I also like having a mist. I sometimes have the squeezy kinds, but I also like having a mist because sometimes when you sit down at a table and it looks a little ooky, I have been known to the edge of a table, so welcome to my OCD. Okay, next out we have fur oil. What? Hold on a minute. I don't want to say this if I'm wrong. Let me read it bigger to be sure my eyes aren't sending me down the wrong path. Fur oil, safe for even the most sensitive areas, so I suspect I read it right. Fur's signature blend of lightweight oils gently softens hair and clears pores for fewer ingrowns and healthier skin. It keeps your skin smooth and soothed while keeping any body hair soft and hydrated. They say this deluxe 3 ml is worth $8. A full-size 75 ml would be $46. So just for the record, I want to be sure I was reading this right. The front of this says fur oil, pubic hair, skin, and more. So that is the size that we got. So I guess you put it, I'm not going into more detail. I think we've covered it all. This is what you get to try it. I haven't had this brand before. And I don't think I've ever used it where they want me to use it, which sitting here right now makes me a little worried what I might have done. I'm just not going to think about that anymore. Or I might have put that on my face, or oil is oil. It's fine. So last out of the box, we have Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. And it's a clear gloss. Yay. We know clear gloss is a color I can use. Instant plump, no stings attached. 90% of people saw fuller lips. 97% said lips felt hydrated. A clear pump. And you're just gonna, and oh, and the top, I thought it was gonna be a brush. Well, that's not. Is that the easiest way to see it? It's just like a tube. So you just pump it up. I don't think there's a chance you guys could see that, but I'll put it there in case you can. Oh, maybe like that. It's got that little, I'm gonna go ahead, since this isn't a brush, I'm gonna go ahead and put it over the color I have on. Because in theory, we won't be ruining a brush. And it'll give me a little gloss. I think it tastes like vanilla. It's definitely sweet. I like that. It doesn't have a mintiness to it. It's kind of just like vanilla. I like that it gave my lips a little gloss. Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper Clear. Get fuller looking lips with no stings attached. This high gloss volumizing lip plumper infused with a nourishing cocktail of Volulip and hyaluronic acid, it instantly improves lip volume in 3 to 5 minutes and hydrates dry areas. $27. Wow. It doesn't say anything about vanilla, does it? I'm telling you, it has a little bit of sweet to it. And I know they said no stings attached and it's not bad, but I am getting a little bit of a tingle just at the top and the bottom. So if you are one of those people that finds yourself to be very sensitive to the tingle, this does have some tingle to it. So that is the Glossybox Female Founded Limited Edition box. You can get it now. It has a $125 value. If you subscribe to Glossybox, it is $30. If you do not, you can get it for $35. If you have any interest in subscribing to Glossybox, I will put my link in the code below. That will get you $5 off your first monthly box, and then you can purchase this for the $30 instead of the $35. Let me try and get all this back in here and show you, because there is a lot. There was the Grande Lips that we just put on, the really cute little Monday hair care shampoo and conditioner, our hand sanitizer from Touchland. This is never gonna work. I'm gonna have to cover stuff up. The Bloom and Blossom hand cream with licorice root in it, the hair coils from Kitsch, this So Pretty perfume that smells so good, from Floral Street with Van Gogh on it. Love that. The Daydreamer. I am juggling today. The Daydreamer from Bloom cleanser that we're gonna try. The Ciate London mascara. The Deco Miami nail polish. Our 3 different kinds of vitamins to try. And the fur, and the fur oil. Get it now. Okay. That is a box chocked full of fun things to try. I like it a lot. So thank you so much for coming by, guys. I hope you liked it too. It is the Glossybox Female Founded Limited Edition, a collection founded by women, curated by women, for women. And I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and go have fun this summer.